Hey foodies, thanks for watching. I want to show you how to make a tiramisu cake. This cake looks so delicious. Now I want to take 1.5 cups of Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour with 1.5 teaspoons cake batter in half, and put half in one and half in the other. Stuck a little bit there. There we go. This in half. This one face down. Place that one down. And we'll just fill the top with stars. And let's finish everything off in cream, then cocoa. What do you think? Is it good enough to eat? Oh, wow. That's beautiful. I'll let it fall on its side. Mmm.